Okay, hello and welcome to this video on how to download and install a digital certificate or PFX file onto your Android device. I'm Natasha from the GlobalSign marketing team, and just before we get started I thought it was worth noting that we are using the Android OS version 5.2 on a Samsung S5. However, nothing much really changes in regards to the new OS system that's recently come out, the 6.0. It's also worth noting that this video is about how to install a PKCS 12 or PFX file onto your Android. This is the process that you will go through when you download a GlobalSign certificate. It may be slightly different for other CAs, so worth checking out. So this video will contain two parts: how to download the certificate and how to install it onto your device and the Trusted Credentials store. We'll get started with part one. Now, when you purchase a certificate from a CA, they'll send you an email with a link to download your certificate, very similar to this email here from GlobalSign. Now, if you click on the link here, you'll go to a page on our system website where you will be able to download your certificate using the pickup password that you were given when you purchased the certificate. So I'm just going to enter mine. Click next. Now it asks me to generate my own password. You're prompted to enter 12 characters, only alphanumeric, so no special letters or numbers. Now for purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to make mine very easy, so please do not copy me on that one. And I agree after having read the subscriber agreement that I'm happy. So I click next to download the certificate onto my device. And now it asks me to download my certificate. When the certificate is downloaded onto your device, it then prompts you to enter your password. To extract the certificate file, extracting. Now it asks me to name my certificate and say what it's used for. So really this is just so that you can see it in your credential store, you can recognise the name. So I'll just type in GlobalSign certificate, and I'm going to use it for VPN. Okay, so now my certificate's installed onto the device. What you should see straight away is the network may be monitored by a third party. Now, just to get rid of this, not really sure why Android have such a negative warning, but I guess what they're trying to do is warn you of any malicious certificates being installed, so that's also a good thing. But just to get rid of it, we will continue with the next step of the installation video, which is how to install the certificate onto your device and put it in your Trusted Credentials store. So now to do this, you will navigate over to the settings. And security. Now select install from device storage, which is here in this credential store. And what it will do is it will take you to any files that have been downloaded onto your phone. So I know straight away in my downloads folder that this is the most recent one. I'll click on this. And to extract the certificate, again, it asks for your password that you created. So I'll just type that in again. And extract the certificate. And again, it asks you for your name. So I'll just name it the same as I named it before. And use VPN and apps. So now that you've actually installed your certificate, what you should be able to do is go to the settings and security again and go to your trusted credentials. And these are the certificates from outside use, but these will be your certificates here in the user section. And you can see straight away that I've got my certificate now installed, and all the information is available on in this area. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You can manage your certificates here, and you can actually uninstall them as well from here. So this will be your management system. And yeah, if you've got any troubles, please feel free to comment on this video, and we'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you very much. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.